In this video, you will learn how to find your organization ID in Workday. First, open the Workday application and go to the Workday website. Then, log in using your credentials. After that, once logged in, go to your Workday homepage and click on the profile icon, typically in the top right corner of the screen. Use the search bar in the top of the page to type in keywords such as company or organization, or the name of your team or department. For many instances, the organization ID is tied to a specific team, structure, or company division. Navigate to My Organization. Under My Organization or Team section, click on the relevant link. You should find details about your specific team or department. This will include your organization ID. Another way to find your organization ID is to look at the URL when going onto your organization page in Workday. Sometimes the ID will appear as part of the web address. If you're still unsure and unable to locate it, you can ask your HR representative or Workday administrator for assistance, as they can provide the specific organization ID that you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.